If you're a classic car enthusiast or a muscle car lover, then the 1970 Dodge Charger R/T is a dream come true, and this one is even more special. Not only does it boast a stunning neon green, limelight green, paint job, but it also has less than 700 miles on the odometer, making it a true time capsule. This Charger is practically brand new, even though it's 55 years old. It has undergone an extensive rotisserie restoration that has made it look and run better than when it first rolled off the production line in May 1970. One of the most striking features of this muscle car is its vibrant, eye-catching paint. The limelight green exterior is complemented by a sleek black vinyl top and a rear black stripe, giving the car an unmistakable presence on the road. The chrome accents around the front grille gleam as if they've never even been touched, and the dual exhaust pipes at the rear churn out the unmistakable roar of that big block V8 engine under the hood. Add the hood pins to the mix, and you have a car that screams, classic muscle. Speaking of the engine, this Dodge Charger R/T is powered by a monstrous 440 cubic inch V8 engine that features a 4-barrel carburetor. This beast pumps out 375 horsepower, delivering the kind of performance you'd expect from a true muscle car. The 4-speed manual transmission ensures that all that power reaches the rear wheels, and with a Dana 60 Sure Grip rear end and a 3.54-to-1 gear ratio, this Charger is ready to tear up the road. This Charger isn't just about raw power, it's also been built for smooth driving. It comes with power steering and power brakes for better handling, and the new wiring and software ensure that everything works as it should. The car sits on 16-inch Magnum 500 wheels with BF Goodrich radial TA tires, combining both performance and classic aesthetics. Inside the cabin, the Dodge Charger R/T keeps it traditional with black vinyl upholstery and wood grain trim. The front bucket seats give it a sporty ambience, and the stock 3-spoke thin steering wheel frames the dashboard, which includes a tick-tock tachometer and a full rally speedometer, two must-have features for any classic muscle car. What really sets this 1970 Dodge Charger R/T apart is the low mileage. With just 694 miles on the odometer, this is a collector's dream. Even the original Chrysler solid-state radio with an 8-track player is still intact, adding to the nostalgia factor. The console shifter with a pistol grip is another nod to the car's vintage muscle car roots. The Charger has been meticulously restored, with a limelight green painted underside that looks just as impressive as the rest of the car. When you take this Charger out for a spin, it's like stepping back in time. The roar of the V8 engine fills the air, and it accelerates and brakes as it should. All the gauges on the dashboard are working perfectly, and the radio, of course, is ready to blast classic tunes, should you ever get tired of the sound of the engine. The car's smooth ride and roaring exhaust make it a head-turner, attracting attention wherever it goes. Now, the big question, how much for this piece of muscle car history? This incredibly rare 1970 Dodge Charger R/T is listed for sale by Vanguard Motors for $219,900. The classic car dealership offers financing options as well, with a 20% down payment of $43,980 and monthly payments of $1,837 for the next 5 years. While the price may seem steep, it's worth noting that a similar Charger sold for $352,000 at a Mecum Indie auction in May 2021, so this one is a true bargain for those looking to own a pristine example of American muscle. If you're a collector or a classic car enthusiast looking for the ultimate muscle car, this 1970 Dodge Charger R/T with its iconic paint job, powerful V8, and under 700 miles on the clock may just be your dream car.